What is up, guys? Thank you for tuning in to another episode of The Southwest. Today we're going fishing on the Guadalupe River, and I'm filming the intro from my apartment because I forgot to while I was out on the river. But caught a lot of fish in this one, so stay tuned for some action. I got a fish. There we go. Getting it started today. First fish on the trusty old Yum Dinger. Alright. It's been a while since I had one. See, bud. Okay. Broke the ice with that one. Ooh, I'm seeing a few fish now. Just saw the first big one out here. They're out here. Just gotta catch them. The wind's gonna make it tough on me. Ooh, this wind. This is some tough junk to fish in. Lost my last watermelon red Yum Dinger, so I just got one on the black and blue. Man, and I missed him. Alright, well, they'll bite the black and blue, so that's good to know. Anyways, I'm out of watermelon red flake, which is my favorite color to fish out here, but I think black and blue could work. The water is a lot murkier than normal. A lot of debris in it, and also it's pretty cloudy today and overcast, so that's in our favor too. So I don't think black and blue is a horrible option, so we're going to throw it around. And I'm also going to be mixing the spinnerbait in, because I still really think we could get on a spinnerbait bite. It's really strange that I'm getting bites right off the bat with this black and blue, but nothing's like committing to it. Yum Dinger, the Dink Slayer. Oh, hey buddy. Little guy. That's fish number 2 though. And okay, the worm's pretty messed up. That is unfortunate. Just gonna rig him like that, make him last. Okay, well they will eat the black and blue, and that's really all I needed to know. Okay. Feels good to have 2 fish, and I'm not sure how long I've been out here, probably 30 minutes. But fishing's been rough lately, and honestly one of the reasons I'm out here is because I'm kind of worried that we might lose access to the river. They basically shut down most river access because people were basically just getting in the river and partying, having a good time, whatnot. But yeah, they closed a lot of the river access. They closed all river access on in parks. So this isn't a park, it's just a boat launch that I go to, but people hang out under it, so I'm kind of scared that it's not safe. So just in case it gets shut down soon, I'm out here trying to catch some fish. One of my favorite little places to go in New Braunfels. Got a good one on the spinnerbait. Nice fish. And he came off. Man. That sucks. This wind is definitely the toughest thing right now. It's making stuff pretty difficult on me, but it'd get a little easier if I use the spinnerbait, take advantage of this. It's hard to fish the wacky rig when it's windy like this, because you fish it slower, so you know you might cast somewhere and you get blown around, you're not even in the area, or you're right on top of where you just thrown. So it's a little harder to fish the wacky rig in this, which is probably going to produce the most bites. But as y'all saw, I did get bit on the spinnerbait, which is very exciting because I think that it would produce better fish. So I'm going to be throwing it around. Oh man. And we're gonna see if we can get anything to bite on it. I'm gonna keep throwing the wacky rig too, of course, but we're just gonna keep going. It's a great day. It feels awesome. Which is the funny kind of trade-off with fishing, is that sometimes the weather that makes it feel nice during the spring and the summer can kind of make it hard for you to fish from the kayak. So we're just gonna try and hang in there, find some fish, and here comes the wind. They have a fish. There we go. Nice. There we go. He got all of it. I need to get my pliers for him. I had someone comment to me on Instagram post one time, and they said most people don't understand that bass fishermen are surgeons too. I was like, you know what? You are absolutely right. Okay. There we go, and look at that. No harm done to the fish. If I get a picture of him. Alright, get a little release on him. Back to the depths. Ooh. What we got? Little bass. Little bassarina. Ooh, it's a good one. Jump in my boat. Nice fish. Nice little river bass. There we go. Well, I'm getting close to the rapids. I do not want to go down, but it's kind of nice getting the fish. I don't know, like actually targeting some structure, because most of the time I'm out here and there's not a whole lot for me to I don't know, to target. I feel like I'm fishing blind most of the time, but you know, if you can find some current ripping by some rocks or some, I think these might be like some stumps and stuff, I mean, that just changes it. Then you got something you're going for, and I don't know, I think it's just so much more fun just making the perfect cast at what you're aiming for, and just knowing that a fish is going to be waiting there for you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the final stretch. We are heading back to the boat ramp. So honestly, we've got some amazing conditions for fishing right now. We're at 5 fish, and we're going to see if we can make that 6, and then 7, and then 8. We'll see. Oh, got a little second wind. He's a pretty little bass. He might be my best of the day. I don't really know. He flung off my yum dinger though, I know that for sure. But little 1 pound bass or less. He was feisty though. Pretty fish. Alright bud, see ya. Well, that was an easy number 6. So like I said, now we're on to 7, and then 8, and then 9, and then 10. A 10-pounder that is. Well guys, I think I'm just gonna fish the rest of it with the spinnerbait. See if I can just get a fish on that before the day's over. Alright, that was horrible. Alright, well scratch that. Horrible idea. Oh, don't really know what I'm gonna do. I had to take a break from paddling. Just get tired. So I'm fishing a little. Oh, I just got hit. We got a fish. There we go. Number 7. Oh, lost the yum dinger. Oh well. Little dude. See, bud. Well, I was just paddling in to call it a day, and I think I threw twice maybe and caught him, so I think I might go ahead and just fish my way in, just in case there's something big lurking. So I've already filmed my outro and everything, but it doesn't mean I can't fish, do things out of order. Alright guys, well I think we're going to go ahead and call it quits for the day. Had a really good time out here. The weather was perfect for an enjoyable day of fishing. It was a little tough to kind of navigate with the wind and everything and fish during the same time at some points, but eventually the wind died down and went away, and I had a pretty awesome day of fishing. So I managed to catch 6 fish, I believe that's how many I caught, and I had a really good time out on the river. So with that being said, if you like the video, make sure you like it, give it a thumbs up, and go ahead and leave a comment letting me know that you like the video or something you want to see in a future video, guys. And then most importantly, subscribe to the channel, guys. I'm making videos as fast as I can. It's a little tough right now with all the stuff going on with coronavirus, but I'm still making videos, so you don't want to miss any of them. I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Peace.